Good evening, folks. So this is Daniel again with an update on my wood skid for my pressure washing setup, and I'm all done mounting the reels, and I'm all done with the wood platform. So here is gonna be putting the gas tank, and it's very sturdy. It's not going anywhere, so very good. I already bolted the pressure washer to the wood. Only these two. I think that's enough. I've been having it without not bolted to the wood for like almost 2 weeks, and that hasn't moved an inch from there. So just two in the back is enough. It's easy access for me and later on in the future. Next thing is going to be rinsing that tank, and then plumbing. The last thing I'm gonna be doing is the hooking up the gas tank and making sure everything here is with this power washer is all good before I turn it on. So I'll make a video of that, and this is gonna be a totally separate video because I don't see anything on YouTube where you will hook up the auxiliary tank to the pressure washer. Maybe that's very obvious, but again, I will have appreciated if there was something dedicated to that. So I'm gonna do it. Okay. I think that's it for now. I have all of this mess here. But that's it. Okay, so this is another update for the skid here. I've already plumbed everything with the exception of the downstream mixer here. And that's about it. So I'm almost ready to go. The only thing that needs to be done is going to be the gas tank, and I'm gonna do a separate video for that, just to set up the entire pressure washer, and it will be a video dedicated to that. But plumbing is out of the way finally. I have my three-way valves here. This one controls whether I'm gonna be drawing chemical from for the sake of transferring chem, or if I want to draw from my all of my tanks. And the other one controls the output of the pump to either the chem tank when I'm transferring chemical, or to the soft washing reel. And that's about it for now. Alright, like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll keep you posted with the other video when I'm about to set up the power washer and the gas tank.